So let's continue with our revision, maths revision part 3. So children, let's start with the questions. You already know children that MCQ questions, it means multiple choice questions are going to come. It means you will be having options. You have to solve. If that question needs to be solved, you have to solve it in your rough notebook and then you have to just click against the correct option. So let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 is the Roman numeral for 39 is. So how do we write 39 in Roman? So let's write this number first children, which is 39 here. So how do we write 39? So 39 can be written as 30 plus 9. Now how do we write 30 in Roman numeral? Yes, we will write x because single x represents 10. So for writing 30, how many x we have to write? Yes, 3x we will write. That will count for 30. And then how do we write 9 in Roman numeral children? Yes, ix. Now let's write them together. To write the number 39, it will be x, 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 I, x. So can you find this option children in the given options A, B and C? Yes. So which is the correct option? Yes, option number B is the correct option. That is x, 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 I, x. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Now question number 2 is the sum of the largest 3-digit number and smallest 2-digit number is. So first children, let's write the largest 3-digit number. So what will be the largest 3-digit number? It will be 999, isn't it? And then the smallest 2-digit number. What will be the smallest 2-digit number? It will be number 10, 1010. So the sum is being asked, the sum of the largest 3-digit number and the smallest 2-digit number is sum. It means we have to add here. So let's start from the ones place. So 9 plus 0, we will write 9 here. Then let's move to the tens place now. So 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to the hundreds place. Now 9 plus 1, 10. So which is the correct answer children? 1009. Can you see the correct option? Yes, option number A is the correct option, correct answer. That is 1009. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Now question number 3 is the difference between 56,125 and 13,280 is in words is written as. So first we will find the difference between the given numbers. So let's write them first to get their difference. So 56,125 minus 13,280. So let's find their difference. You will start from the ones place. So 5 minus 0, 5 only. Now 2 minus 8, because 2 is smaller, it means we have to borrow. So we will borrow from the hundreds place here. And what is the digit at the hundreds place now? 1. So when we will borrow 1 from there, 0 will be left there. And the digit at the tens place becomes 12 now. So 12 minus 8, 4. Now look at the hundreds place children. There we have 0 as minuend. So 0 minus 2, that is not possible. So again we have to borrow. So now we will borrow 1 from this 6. So 5 will be left here. And the digit here becomes, at the hundreds place, becomes 10. So 10 minus 2, now what we will have here children? 10 minus 2, 8. And now look at the thousands place. So 5 minus 3, 2. And now 5 minus 1, here we will get 4. So we get the answer here as 42,845. So which is the correct option, children? Option number A or B, which has been written the same, this difference is been written in words. The answer is being asked in words. So which is the correct answer? 42,845. So which is the correct option? Yes, option number A is the correct option. Got it, children? Read the question very carefully, children. Okay? Now, let's move to the next question. The product of 245 multiplied by 400 is. So, let's multiply to get the answer, children. So, 245 multiplied by 400. So, what we'll do, children? How we'll multiply? First, we'll write these two zeros here. Okay? And now we'll multiply this 245 by the remaining digit, which is 4 here. Okay? So 5 4s are or 4 5s are 20. So 0 we'll write here and 2 will be carried over to the next place. Now 4 4s are 16 plus this 2 added to 16. 16 plus 2 18. So 8 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to the next place. Now 2 4s are or 4 2s are 8 plus 1 added to 8, 9. So which is the correct option, children? What is the product of the given numbers? 98,000. So which is the correct option? A, B or C? Yes, option number B, 98,000. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. What number is 2031 more than 51,293? So more than is being asked. It means we have to, what we have to do here, children? We have to add. Okay. So let's add to get the answer here. So 2031 and 51,293. So let's add to get the answer. So 3 plus 1 or 1 plus 3, 4. 9 plus 3, 12. So 2 will write here, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 0 plus 2, what will get? 3. Then again 2 plus 1, 3. And here 5. So which is the correct option, children? 53,324. So can you find the answer? Which is the correct option? Yes, option number C, 53,324. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. The value of 258 minus 125 in Roman numeral is. So let's find the difference first and then we will convert that difference to Roman numeral. Okay. So first let's find the difference. So 258 minus 125. So let's find the difference. So 8 minus 5, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. And 2 minus 1, 1. Now the difference will be 133. So we have to convert this to Roman numeral. So we can write 133 as 100 plus 33. So let's write 100 first. So how we will write 100? C. And then how we will write 33? So for 33, how many times we will write x? 3 times to get 30 and then 3. So I. So what is the correct answer, children, here? C, X, 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 I. So which is the correct option, children? C, X, 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 I. So option number B is the correct answer. Got it, children? Now let's move to the next question. the difference between 58,234 and 35,794 by rounding off the numbers to nearest 100 is. So here we have to find the difference by rounding off the numbers to nearest 100. So let's take the first number here, the minuend, which is 58,234. So let's write first what will be the round off of 58,234 to nearest 100. So look at the digit at the tens place, children, which is 3 here, which is less than 5. So what will be the round off of 58,234? It will be 58,200. Okay. And now let's round off the second number or the subtrahend here, which is 35,794. So to round it off to nearest 100, look at the digit at the tens place. What is the digit here at the tens place? 9. So what will be the round off of 35,794? It will be 35,800. Okay. Now the difference is being asked. So let's find the difference. So 0 minus 0, 0. Again 0 minus 0, 0. Now 2 minus 8, because 2 is smaller, so we have to borrow. So when we'll borrow 1 from 8, 7 will be left here, and now here we have 12. So 12 minus 8, 4. 7 minus 5, now look at the thousands place. 7 minus 5, 2. And now 5 minus 3, 2. So the answer is 22,400. So which is the correct option, children? Can you find the correct option? Yes, 22,400, which is the correct option? Option number A. Got it, children? Now let's move to the next question. Now the product of 5,134 and 4 in expanded form is. So first, what is being asked, children? The product of 5,134 and 4. So first we will find the product of the given numbers. So let's find the product first. So 5,134 multiplied by 4. So 4 4s are 16. So 6 we will write here. 1 will be carried over to the next place. Now 3 4s are, or 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 we will write here, and 1 will be carried over to the hundreds place here. Now 1 4s are, or 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. And then 5 4s are, or 4 5s are 20. So product we have got here, the product. Now you have to write it in the expanded form. So what will be the expanded form? It will be 20,000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 6. So can you find the correct option, children? Where this number, this product is being written in correct expanded form? That will be 20,000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 6. So which is the correct option? Yes, option number A is the correct option. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Now children, question number 9, you can see this is the question where you have both the plus sign, addition sign, as well as subtraction sign. So how do we do those type of questions? First we add the numbers which do not have minus sign in front of them. So what are the numbers here which do not have minus sign in front of them? Or simply you just see from left to right. So there you can see these numbers, they do not have minus sign in front of them. So first we will add them. Okay, so let's add. So 10,129 plus 15,372. So let's find their sum first. So 9 plus 2 or 2 plus 9, 11. So 1 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to the next place. Now 2 plus 1, 3 and 7 plus 3, 10. So 0 and again 1 will be carried over to the next place. Now 1 plus 1, 2 and 2 plus 3, 5. Now 0 plus 5, 5 only, and 1 plus 1, 2. So 25,501. Now we'll subtract 14,013 from 25,501. So let's subtract now. You can write just below that to subtract 14,013. So let's find the difference now. Now there you can see, children, 1 minus 3, that is not possible. So it means we have to borrow. So there also you can see 1 minus 0, 0 is there. At the tens place, 0 is there. So again we have to now move to the hundreds place. So the digit here is 5. So when we'll borrow 1 from there, 4 will be left there. And now we can borrow that 1 from 5. So what will be the digit here now? 10. Now we'll borrow 1 from tens place. So what will be the digit here now? 11, and this 10 now becomes 9. 9 will be left there. So 11 minus 3, now let's start subtracting from the ones place. So 11 minus 3, 8. Now 9 minus 1, 8. Now look at the hundreds place. 4 minus 0, 4. Now 5 minus 4, 1. And 2 minus 1, 1. So what is the answer here, children? 11,488. So which is the correct option, children? 11,488. Yes, option number A is the correct answer. Got it, children? What we did first? First we added the numbers which do not have minus sign in front of them, and then we subtracted the number from that sum which has minus sign in front of it. Okay, children? Now let's move to the next question. The sum of two numbers is 3,54,370. If one number is 1,82,756, what is the other number? So children, what we will do in this question? How we will solve? Yes, we will subtract. So let's subtract to get the answer. So first let's write this number 3,54,370, and just below that we will write 1,82,756. So let's get their difference. So 0 minus 6, that is not possible. It means we have to borrow. So when we will borrow, 6 will be left here, and there now we have 10. So 10 minus 6, 4. Now look at the tens place. 6 minus 5, 1. Now you just see 3 minus 7 is not possible. It means we have to borrow. So when we will borrow 1 from 4, 3 will be left here, and this digit here becomes now 13. So 13 minus 7, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. Now 5 minus 8. So we have to borrow again. So when we will borrow, 2 will be left here, and here now we have 15. So 15 minus 8, 7, and 2 minus 1, 1. So what is the answer obtained here, children? 1,60,000. 71,614. So which is the correct option, children? Yes, option number B is the correct option. Got it, children? In this way, you will be solving all the questions in your notebook and then you will just click against the correct option. Got it, children? So, that's all today for children. That's all for today, and all the best for your exams. Do well and thank you.